What is up, y'all? It's me, Toya, the big T, not the little one. Like, comment, subscribe if you guys want to see more bangers on my channel. I'm about to do a mukbang, a small little mukbang. To where I got some chicken and fries. And I got a delicious corn on the cob. So I'm about to get into this video. I really don't do, mukbangs like that no more, but I gotta get back in the process, you guys. So at the end of the day, like, comment, subscribe if you want me to eat more on my channel. Want me to do extreme things on my channel. We're back. So I'm digging in. Here I go. Going on the cob. This corn good as hell. Look at this corn is 10. I actually got this food from the fish and chicken place up the street. I will drop it in the description. Let you guys know where I got it from. But the corn is on point. It is a 10 out of 10. Look at that. They just fell out my hand. That's how good it was. So, if you want to see more bangers on this channel, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know. Peace.